you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Altitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 5,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN SYSTEM, foot-activated open-and-go liftgate, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 90415G.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.